Santiago, and today I am gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to be a FunStar. The first tip is do not repost. Reposting has been a really popular trend recently that people think it helps them get a feature. Well, it doesn't really. It actually makes the people that follow you unfollow you because you're spamming their feeds with the exact same video over and over again. I personally find it really selfish when people want to spam other people's feeds just for a feature, and I wouldn't recommend this to anybody. The second tip is post consistently. The more you post, the more chances you have to get on the featured or lit page. The more features you get, the more probability you have to become a FunStar, because you need 48 to 50 features to be qualified to be a FunStar. And there's a lot of benefits of being a FunStar. First, you get your own page. If you scroll all the way to the right, you will see a top page that it says FunStars. Second, you get Pro free. And third, you can get your username changed to your first name, or your first name to your last name, or whatever username you want that may be taken by someone else. If that account is not active anymore, you can get their username. If that account is still active, you sadly can't get their username anymore. If you didn't notice, when you go to the search page, there's a list of challenges. Every day, the top tag changes because it means that a new tag is there and that you have a new chance to get featured. Maybe you didn't like yesterday's tag because you just felt like it wasn't you and your editing style. Then you can look, and there's tags on the top where it says slow-mo, athletic, comedy, etc. You can also use those tags to get featured or lit. If you use those tags, is a lower probability to get featured, and the more features, the more chances you have to get a star. What I would recommend is doing the tags that I'm going to show on the screen. Those tags will change every single week. And the top one that you see changes every single day. And Funimate chooses the most creative videos to put on the featured list so more people can get inspired and can see them. Please be original with your video. Don't try to copy someone else's idea just because they got featured. It doesn't work like that. They always choose the most creative videos that people put in that hashtag to feature them. The more videos you post for that hashtag, the more chances you have to get featured or lit. Also, a little tip for rising stars. In the search page, if you scroll to the right, you will see a page where it says rising stars. That page, it will show you who is rising, and when you see those people that it says rising, it means that they can get a feature or a lit. If Funimate liked your video, there's more probability that it's a lit than a feature. And if Funimate didn't like your video and you're in the rising stars feed or page, then you will get featured. Last but most important thing, be patient. Nothing comes from the night to the morning. Nothing comes from the night to the morning. Don't think that you will get your star in like a week or a month. You need to keep trying until you get your 50 features. And to help you along the way, I personally recommend to be friends with other people on the app. Like DM them or comment on their videos and be friends with people, because those people are the ones who will help you in the way to get your star. You can share your ideas with them and they can share their ideas with you. And it will make the experience of the app so much better if you have friends on the app. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and tell us what other tutorials would you like to see next. We love you all and hope to see you next time. Bye!